Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In our previous video, we discussed about meaning and scope of political theory. In today's video, we will discuss a topic that often confuses students, and that is political theory versus political philosophy. So this topic is very important for BA and MA students. So please watch till the end. ना पॉलिटिकल थ्योरी समझते हैं. पॉलिटिकल थ्योरी जैसे कि हमने लास्ट वीडियो में समझा कि पॉलिटिकल थ्योरी डील्स विद वैल्यूज, पॉलिटिकल आइडियोलॉजीज, पॉलिटिकल आइडियाज, पॉलिटिकल कॉन्सेप्ट्स. It focuses on understanding how politics work, okay? And political theory explain कॉन्सेप्ट्स को हमें एक्सप्लेन करता है पॉलिटिकल थ्योरी. कौन से कॉन्सेप्ट्स? जैसे कि स्टेट, गवर्नमेंट, पावर, अथॉरिटी, इक्वालिटी, जस्टिस. So in simple words, we can say political theory studies in a systematic and analytical way. Now, political philosophy deals with ideas of right and wrong, moral and ethical questions, what ought to be in politics. It asks questions like what is a just state, what should be an ideal form of government, and what is the meaning of liberty and equality. So political philosophy is more about normative and value based. Key differences of political theory and political philosophy. There are 5 points and I'll make you understand in a very simple way. Number 1 is nature. What is the nature of political theory? Political theory का nature है analytical and explanatory. और political philosophy का nature क्या है? It's ethical and normative. ठीक है. Number 2 is focus. Political theory focus करता है कि कैसे political system काम करता है. Okay? और political philosophy focus on how political system should work. Number 3 is method क्या यूज होता है पॉलिटिकल थ्योरी में? पॉलिटिकल थ्योरी यूजेस लॉजिक, एनालिसिस and sometimes empirical study. Empirical means based on real practical experiences. और political philosophy का क्या method है? It uses reasoning, ethics and moral arguments. Number 4 is scope. Political theory scope जो है वो है broader. It includes ideologies and concepts. और political philosophy का scope है narrow. It focus on moral principles. Number 5 is approaches. Political theory का approach है practical and academic. और political philosophy का approaches क्या है? Idealistic and philosophical. Now exam tips. Write definition first. Then use comparison table or points, and with a balanced conclusion. Okay? And political theory and political philosophy are closely related but not same. Political theory explains us political ideas and concepts, and political philosophy क्या करता है? उसको evaluate करता है. So it is very important to know about political philosophy and theory, to know political science deeply. Thank you so much.